Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you an interesting video like how we can play a TikTok game right on your Google without installing any app. This may be on your laptop or this may be on your mobile. All that you need to do is open Chrome browser or any browser, just browse to google.com and search here as Google TikTok. See this one exactly. So that's it. Your game will be loaded here. I didn't install anything, any app or any exe file, nothing like that. Right on browser I can play, and I'll show you the options. This is the drop down: easy, medium, impossible, play against a friend. So I'll just check it to medium and I'll just click once. So this is your turn, this cross mark, and this circle is computer is playing and I'm not playing, and I'll keep it here. Okay, I'll keep it here. Yes, now the computer won't see. This score is for the computer, and to play the next game you need to just click on restart game, and the next turn you can make it possible for you to win. See, I won. So in this way you can play with a friend also. So when you play with a friend, when you have the first option on the same device, maybe it may be on laptop or your mobile, the next turn will be your friend. So I'm only clicking now. This I clicked it. So this is your friend turn, and you may keep like this, and your friend something like this. So yes, once I'll check with disconnecting the internet once. Okay, what I'll do is as the Chrome already loaded this game, what I'll do is I'll just disconnect the internet and check once, because for initial to load this web page the internet is must. But I'll just want to check whether if the internet got disconnected in the middle, can I play this game. So okay, see, now currently this laptop is doesn't connected to internet, but as the page is already loaded. Yes, it's playing. Yeah, draw. I'll restart the game. So see here, currently my laptop is not connected to internet, but still I can play the game. The only requirement is once you should load this page. Once the page is loaded, I can play. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.